Anytime now, race number 8. All set now, ready to race. Race number 8. Final race for tonight. The favorite, All Out, with Miles Bakal Pilapil. Second choice, Emergency Call with FM Raquel Jr. Number 3. Anytime now. Race number 8. Here, Sutherland Clubs. Away they go. Diamond Luster, All Out. On the outside, Maimpok. Rushing up by Daral, entry number 4. And this one is Jaden Diamond. It's now entry number 9, Diamond Luster, All Out in second position. Maimpok racing in third. By Daral is Jaden Diamond. As they race the last 800, Diamond Luster by a neck. And on the outside is All Out. And moving up is Maimpok, Jaden Diamond, Ideal View racing on the outside. And moving up, Physiotherapist, Islam Shots also rushing up. This time the lead is taken over now by the favorite, All Out, by about a length and a half, followed by Ideal View, Diamond Luster, Maimpok, Jaden Diamond out of time. And Slam Shot successor, Physiotherapist, as they swing for home. All Out by a length and a half. Ideal View, Maimpok's running by the rail. All Out by a length and a half. Maimpok down on the inside, but still All Out by a length and a half. And nearing the finish line, Miles Bakal Pilapil on All Out. Maimpok, Ideal View close. Slam Shot, Jaden Diamond.